Joining in as we close out today's trading session, market slipped in the last 30 minutes. So we're closing with cuts of about a third of a percentage point, 75 points lower on the Nifty, 24,260, Sensex down 200 odd points. Banks underperformed, the Nifty banking index down 400 points, but many NBFCs, whether it's a Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, losing more than 5%. Midcaps declined. The midcap index down over 1%. When we started the show, the midcap index was down about 0.5%, but the sell-off accelerating. The small cap index ending with a cut of more than 2%. Onto the losers list then, Bajaj Twins right on top. Trent, which is also very expensive. Today, Trent has breached the 50-day moving average. Tata Motors under pressure, along with that TVS Motors. Street is awaiting the auto sales numbers. State Bank of India reports numbers on Saturday, along with that fundraising. And the stock corrected in trade. Ultratech Cement also on the way down. On the way up, HDFC Life, Maruti Suzuki, SBI Life, Bharti Airtel. These were four of them, where the gains were in excess of 1.5%.
Actually, if you can just look at the Nifty intraday, it's a pretty, it's a pretty sharp turn. There was a bit of a bump, but then the intraday will tell you the impact. We were at 24,400 at 301, 302, 330 now. So 24,400 and we're at 24,240. So it's a 150-point turn on the way down that we've seen for the Nifty. And I think we should do something similar for the Nifty Bank as well. Just take a look at the intraday. Again, here 3 o'clock, the index was at about 55,200 and we're at 54,961. So that is again about a 250, 300-point turn that we've seen in the last 30 minutes for both the Nifty and the Nifty Bank as well. There's no particular news flow, but I think there is just sort of lightening of positions going into a holiday with not so much global risk, but of course pretty much all focus on the entire India-Pakistan issue in terms of whether there could be any escalation, etc. That's it. I mean, that's the only point of conversation out there in the market. Global, etc. Of course, I mean, I think we've been discussing, and it's been discussed quite a bit over the last many weeks now. I think it's goodbye time from all of us here. Thank you very much for staying with us on another edition of Closing Bell. But we're going to focus on Akshaya Tritiya. And